In today's digital age, it is easier than ever to make some extra cash using just your phone. With so many apps available on the market, it can be hard to know which ones are worth your time and effort. So we have done the research for you and compiled a list of the 3 best apps to make money with your phone. We've included links to all 3 apps in the video's description, so you're ready to make money right now. Number 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular apps for making money with your phone, and for good reason. It is a user-friendly app that allows you to earn points in a variety of ways. Whether you are someone who enjoys taking surveys, watching videos, or shopping online, Swagbucks has something for everyone. The sign-up process for Swagbucks is simple and easy. All you need to do is create an account, and you will be given a $10 sign-up bonus. This is a great way to start earning money right away. Once you have created your account, you can start earning points by completing simple tasks such as taking surveys or watching videos. One of the unique features of Swagbucks is the cashback option. This means that when you shop at your favorite stores online, you can earn money back on your purchases. Swagbucks partners with many popular retailers, including Amazon, Walmart, and Target, so there are plenty of opportunities to earn cash back. This is a great way to save money while you shop. The app also offers daily goals and bonuses that can help you earn even more points. By reaching your daily goals, you can earn bonus points that will help you reach your rewards faster. Also, the app gives you different bonuses for doing things like signing up for a new service or buying something through the app. Redeeming your points on Swagbucks is easy. You can redeem your points for gift cards at popular retailers such as Amazon, Walmart, and Starbucks. Alternatively, you can choose to redeem your points for cash through PayPal. This means that you can use your points to make purchases or to simply add to your bank account. Swagbucks is a cool app that helps you earn some extra cash when you have some free time. The app offers different ways to collect points, daily goals, bonuses, and even cashback options. It's super easy to use, and it's a great way to make some quick money. So why not give Swagbucks a shot and start earning today? Number 2. Survey Junkie. Taking surveys may not seem like the most exciting way to make money, but Survey Junkie has managed to turn it into a fun and rewarding experience. With a focus on user experience and a wide range of surveys on offer, it has become one of the most popular apps for earning some extra cash in your spare time. One of the key features of Survey Junkie is its user-friendly interface. The app is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who are new to taking surveys. The surveys are well organized and easy to navigate, making it a breeze to find the ones that interest you. When it comes to payment, Survey Junkie is known for its efficient payment system. Once you have earned enough points, you can redeem them for cash through PayPal or gift cards to popular retailers such as Amazon and Target. The payment process is straightforward and hassle-free, meaning that you can enjoy your earnings without any stress. Another great aspect of Survey Junkie is the wide range of surveys it offers. The app has a diverse selection of surveys on various topics, from entertainment and travel to health and wellness. This means that there is always something new and interesting to explore, and you can earn money while learning something new. One of the best things about Survey Junkie is that it offers regular surveys, which means that you can earn money on a regular basis. The app sends out new surveys frequently, so there is always something to do. Additionally, the more surveys you take, the more points you can earn. This means that if you are a dedicated survey taker, you can earn a substantial amount of money over time. So if you're into taking surveys and want to earn extra bucks, Survey Junkie is the perfect app for you. It's easy to navigate, pays out quickly, and has a ton of surveys to choose from. No wonder it's a go-to app for many who want to earn some cash in their free time. So why not give it a shot? You'll be surprised at how much you can earn while having fun taking surveys. Number 3. Ibotta. Are you tired of spending money without getting anything in return? Well, Ibotta is here to help you earn some money back while you shop. With this app, you can earn cashback on your purchases at your favorite retailers, including Walmart, Target, and Amazon. The app is incredibly user-friendly and easy to use. To get started, simply download the app, create an account, and start browsing the available cashback offers. Once you find an offer that interests you, simply add it to your account and make the qualifying purchase. After that, the cashback will be credited to your account within 48 hours. One of the great things about Ibotta is that it offers cashback on a wide range of products, including groceries, household items, and even clothing. This means that you can earn money on the things you buy every day. Plus, the app offers bonuses and promotions that can help you earn even more cashback. But the benefits of using Ibotta don't stop there. The app also offers a unique referral program that allows you to earn even more money. You can earn up to $5 for every person who signs up using your referral link. This means that the more people you refer, the more money you can earn. Another great feature of Ibotta is that it allows you to link your loyalty cards from your favorite retailers. This means that you can earn cashback without having to scan receipts or add offers manually. Just link your loyalty cards, and when you make purchases that qualify, Ibotta will automatically add money to your account. Ibotta is an awesome app that can save you money and earn you cashback on things you buy every day. It's easy to use and has lots of offers for you to choose from. Plus, their referral program is pretty cool and can earn you even more money. So, don't hesitate. Download Ibotta now and start earning some extra cash. So there you have it. Those are the top 3 apps that can help you make some extra cash in 2023, all from the comfort of your own phone. From taking surveys to earning cashback, these apps have got you covered. But let's be honest, making money on apps isn't always easy. It takes some time, effort, and maybe a bit of trial and error to figure out what works best for you. So be sure to do your own research and choose the app that fits your lifestyle and needs. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy earning!